What's up everyone, today we have the Xiaomi Mi A3 here with us for an unboxing. Now let's first look at the box before we open it. Front of the box is pretty normal, picture of the phone itself. It shows that there is a dot notch here right at the top, and there is an in-display fingerprint scanner on this phone, which means that this probably has an AMOLED panel on the display. You can also see a triple rear camera setup at the back with a bit of a camera bump. So design wise it seems alright, nothing special, but let's see what else it has here. The variant we have is a 6GB RAM, 128GB storage variant, which is written on the box on the front. And let's see the side of the box. So this is an Android One phone, so this has stock Android, doesn't have MIUI. Now the back of the box has a bunch of specifications listed here. Some of the things I mentioned earlier are confirmed now. So 48 megapixel triple camera, I guess there's an ultra wide angle lens here as well, as mentioned on the box. So 48 MP is probably the primary camera here. And there's an in-display fingerprint scanner as well. Xiaomi is claiming it's fast. Well, we'll test and we'll tell you later whether it's fast or not. Okay, AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 5, good to see here. The selfie camera is a 32 megapixel shooter, so that's again good to see. Some of the specifications are written here on the box, and the variant is once more confirmed. The color variant is more than white, and it's a 6GB RAM, 128GB storage variant as well. So let's quickly unbox this. So first there is the sleeve here. Let's see what's in the sleeve before we unbox the device. So there's the SIM eject tool here. Some documentation which we'll keep aside for now. There's also a case, looks like it's a transparent case, so we'll keep all of these things aside for now. Okay, so the Mi A3 itself is here. Let me quickly take this out. So here it is in this plastic packet. I'm gonna throw that aside as well. So yeah, this is the phone with some specifications listed on the front. Before I take off the sticker, let's take a look at the back of the phone. Now this is the triple rear camera setup that we spoke about earlier. There's a Xiaomi branding here at the back, and on the sides the power button, volume button, and this looks like it has a USB Type-C port. Okay, I'm gonna find out if this has expandable storage or no in a bit, but first let's peel the sticker. Now let's power this device on. Okay, so while it boots up, we'll check out what else is in the box. That's the USB Type-C cable. This is the wall charger and nothing else. So that's about it. The contents of the box are here. Okay, so that's how the phone looks. It's got stock Android. Let's check the Android version first, then we'll find out more about this device. So yeah, Android version 9 is the one here. And anyway, the second thing I want to check is there any expandable storage on the Xiaomi Mi A3? So let's see. This is the hybrid dual SIM slot. And that brings me to the other question. Does the Mi A3 have a headphone jack? It does! Okay, now what else can we tell you about this phone? The processor is the first thing you probably would want to know. This has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor. As far as the RAM and storage goes, this is the 6GB RAM, 128GB storage variant. Its storage is expandable. There's also a headphone jack in this one, which is another thing that's good to see. And apart from that, there is a triple rear camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary sensor on this phone, and this is a 32 megapixel selfie camera right here at the top. So as far as other basic specifications go, this is a 6-inch AMOLED display with a bit of a thick chin at the bottom and a dot notch, which we already mentioned. Battery, it is a 4030 mAh battery on this one. This phone supports 18 watt fast charging, but out of the box you get a 10 watt charger. So if you want faster charging, I suppose Xiaomi will be selling a charger also, so you can maybe get that. And the 3 camera lenses at the back, there is the primary camera, and there is an ultra wide angle lens, and there is a depth sensor as well. So these are the 3 cameras in the triple rear camera setup. And the display is an AMOLED panel. It also has an in-display fingerprint scanner, which we haven't set up at this point, so you don't see it at the bottom of the screen when we lock the screen. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for the basic specifications of the Xiaomi Mi A3. Now the device feels pretty premium. It's very nice to hold. There's a metal frame which gives it a nice and premium feel, and also at the base there's a nice looking speaker grill here, so which looks really nice. Overall the device feels premium and is very good to hold as well.